It hits a little bit of wind and it will climb. Oh yeah. It does, it does. But every little bit of air on that thing makes a huge difference, because that flat bottom airfoil. That'd be hard to do, because you can dead stick this one in the wind and do about a 5-minute hover.
I'm going to do something that looks like a landing attempt. I don't think that fly slows.
No. I said if you had that one into the wind, you could pull all the power and just sit there and hover into the wind and ride it for about 5 minutes.